friends, welcome to another new session in Deepaks kitchen, and today I'm going to show you one of the famous recipe known as a Matar Pulao or peas pulao. When there is a season of Matar or the fresh peas, now you just do this recipe and it will taste just amazing. So I'm going to show you in the easiest method possible using some coconut milk. So without much wait, let's see how this beautiful Matar Pulao or peas pulao is done. This is Deepak and you're watching Deepak's Kitchen. The ingredients required to make this awesome peas pulao are a 10 to 12 cashews, a quarter teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 bay leaf, 2 inches of cinnamon stick, 5 to 6 cloves, 2 star anise, 1 black cardamom, 4 green cardamom crushed, small baby potatoes 50 grams, and the matar or the peas 50 grams, 2 tablespoons finely chopped mint, 5 crushed green chilies and 2 slit green chilies, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste, 1 medium sized onion sliced, 1 cup of coconut milk, basmati rice 250 grams, oil 2 tablespoon, ghee 2 tablespoon. Look, for fast, you need to soak this basmati rice nice and good. Wash this thoroughly 2 or 3 times in the water and allow this to soak minimum of 15 to 20 minutes. Till then, let's keep this aside. Let me tell you, I've taken this basmati rice in this cup. So we need to add the water or the coconut milk in this measurement only. You can see I have kept a handi to heat. In this, I'm going to add nearly 2 tablespoons of oil, and also we'll add 2 tablespoons of ghee. And now you can see the ghee and oil is nice and hot. In this we'll add this whole garam masala or the whole spices and the fennel, bay leaf and the cashew, and give this a nice mix. And keep in mind, whenever you are sauteing the whole spices, make sure you always keep the flame to low, then it will not burn. At this time we'll add the sliced onions, and now you may increase the flame, and remember, you just need to sweat the onions when the onions become translucent, and then you carry on with the next step. And now you can see the onions are turned translucent. At this time we'll add this ginger garlic paste and the crushed chilies and the whole slit chilies, and give this a nice mix. And now turn the flame to low. And in this we'll add the peas or the matar and the aloo or the potatoes and the salt, and give this a nice mix. Look, at this time I will close the lid and allow this to cook for about 2 minutes on a medium flame. And now look, it's been nearly 2 minutes. We'll open the lid. Now look, it has been nicely done. And at this time we'll add the fresh mint leaves or pudina, and we'll add the soaked basmati rice and mix this very gently. Don't put too much pressure or the grains will break off. Let me tell you one thing, in this cup I added 1 cup of basmati rice, and I have soaked that basmati rice for about 20 minutes. It means the rice would have been absorbed nearly half a cup of water. So in this cup I am going to add nearly 1.5 cup of water. Here I am going to add a 1 cup of coconut milk. Another 3/4 cup of water to balance this. In a smooth hands you just mix this and increase the flame and allow this to boil. And remember one thing, we need to cook this until the rice floats on the top. Till then we need to cook like this only, but don't close the lid. Now look, it's been nearly 2 to 3 minutes and you can see all the rice is floating on the top. It means the rice is absorbing the water. If you open it, you can see some more moisture here. For this, we just need to gently mix one more time. And close the lid and allow this to cook for about 3 minutes on a medium flame or until the rice cooks completely. And now look, it's been nearly 5 minutes or so. Guys, you don't believe me how beautifully it smells. My whole kitchen is filled up with this basmati rice smell. So without much wait, I'll open this. Wow, just look at this, how beautiful and fluffy it has been. You can see the rice, it has been like this. Look how beautiful it has been done. And you can see the rice is also cooked perfectly. There are actually no words to describe how beautiful this rice has came out. Really just perfect. Look, this rice is this easy to make. I definitely recommend you to do this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section down below. So I hope you guys like this video and we'll meet you in next one. Till then, this is your host and host Deepaks signing off and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.